Okay, our next step is to do the eyes. Now, because this is going to be an animation where the eyes light up in the animation itself, we're going to be creating a material as it will be in the first frame. So even though we're going to have red eyes and a red antenna, it's going to be a very dark red material that we want, because these number values can be changed. We can insert keyframes in them, and that way we're going to create the animation later on where we can insert keyframes at different points depending on the strength of the emission that we want. So let's create our shader for light eyes. So we're going to click on light eyes, and we're going to assign it to the materials that we want to assign it to. We're going to press A to deselect everything, and then we're going to press L a couple of times to select the parts that we want. So we've got our antenna at the top, we've got our two eyes. Now the voice box is going to be a light yellowish colour when it animates, so we don't need to worry about that for now. So what we need to do right now is we're going to give it a diffuse colour, which is going to be very dark. Next, we are going to add our emission shader. So we're going to go to shader and emission, and we're going to change this colour to red. Now, the way we want is we want to add a mix shader, and let's have a look at this in rendered view. So nothing has happened yet. Why? Because we haven't assigned it as yet. So let's do that now. We're going to click assign, back into rendered view. Okay, so we've got a slight issue here with this eye, and I know exactly why that's the case, because yep, I thought as much. If we go into edit mode, we have the original eye created that's in the way. So now if we go to rendered view again, excellent. And that looks pretty good. And this is the value that we're going to change in our animation. So we're going to leave that very low at less than 0.1, and we're going to reduce the emission strength at the moment to 0.5. And if we zoom out, there we go.